Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. He is a man and he is on stilts. He is Stiltman. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Marvel Heroclix from WizKids Stiltman. And this particular product contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece, a promo figure from WizKids, and you can see on the left, front, right, and even at the back, the image of Stiltman. This is of course for 14 years old and above, an exclusive figure, released 2025. Okay, so we don't know a lot about the Stiltman lore, but I would imagine he is a super villain from Spider-Man. Okay, because Spider-Man usually have very weird enemies like Blank Man, Stilt Man. Okay, okay. Anyway, I hope I'm right. Ooh, okay. So I was actually thinking whether it will be the same thing, because I know some Stiltman before, some figures of Stiltman wherein you can stack the legs. Okay, so I hope they are compatible with the previous Stiltman figures. Okay, makes me tempted to collect more of this if they are compatible, but I would have to confirm first. Okay, oops, there you go. This, let's put it, let's try to make him stand. Okay, there you go. We have Stiltman. Okay. Yeah, oops, okay. It's a fan piece, I guess. Let's take a look at his card. Oh, Stiltman is MVP 25-004. Team player, team ability, Sinister Syndicate. So okay, so that means he is confirmed Spider-Man villain. Okay, armor and scientist. Jettison the legs. Okay, Stiltman starts the game with 2 leg extensions. Okay, those two. When Stiltman would take damage, if he has at least 2 leg extensions, you may instead remove 2 leg extensions from him. Okay, so that makes him ignore damage once at least. And a second trait, Stolen Stark upgrades. When 1 or more action tokens are removed from Stiltman, you may attach that many leg extensions to him. Okay, so via willpower and leadership, I guess. Giant Reach X, where X is the number of his leg extension. Ooh, so it can be as long as Giant Reach 16, full map reach. Okay, so he's a giant, so his willpower will be very effective. Okay, so you can really rack up that particular trait. Wilbur Day is the real name of Stiltman, and he has again the team player ability that allows him to choose team ability that a friendly character can use, and he can use that until he chooses again. 75 or 50 points, 0 range, single target. At 75 points, you get sidestep, super strength, senses, and exploit. 50 points gives you, what's that one? Force blast. Okay, force blast, super strength, toughness, and battle fury. Okay, I'm thinking 75 points because of that rollout senses, and you would probably be giving him action every time, every turn, so that you can remove those via willpower or possibly leadership. Maybe carry a leadership piece with you to really maximize Stiltman. Okay, so really interesting. Armor is a keyword I like to use sometimes. Okay, because of Morgan Le Fay from Masters of Time. Okay, but let's see. I will be hunting these legs. Maybe 10 legs will do it for now. So if you are watching this and if you are from the Philippines, know that I'm looking for these legs. But until next time, bye!